Hello students. Today I am going to discuss about the video lessons, and this my message is to the respected parents and dear students both. As you know, we have started our classes and we have been giving the video lessons to the students, and it's been more than 2 or 3 weeks we started, and still we are continuing it. And in between our staff have prepared the videos and the course which we are providing them through the WhatsApp, and our videos we are uploading to the YouTube channel, that is Oxford Public School, Sardar Sher. And one more thing, we have started the system of homework. Our subject teachers are providing the homework to the students, and even students also participating. They are sending the homework after doing it, and they are sending to the direct to the teachers. They are in contact with the subject teacher and with the class teacher and with the other staff members. So first of all, I must thank you all the children and the parents who are participating in this activity and who are supporting us, who are making their children study and do the work properly, and they are managing this activity at home, and even this way they are motivating our student, and they are motivating our staff members. They are this is an appreciation, and so I must thank you all, the children who are doing the work on time, and they are sending the work to the teachers. And I must thank you the parents and the guardians who are participating, who are helping, who are supporting their kids, their children to do the homework and then send to the related teachers. Even overall, if I see in all the classes, mostly 70 to 80% students have started this activity. So I must appreciate them for this thing. And we have tried to make the teaching learning through video lessons in very easy way, in easy mode, so students can do it very easily and properly. They can understand it, and the process of homework, that is also easy, and they are doing the work in their notebooks and fair notebooks, and they are sending to the related teachers, and teachers are trying to check that work on time and sending back to the children. Well, in between still I see many of the students, our staff members have talked to them related to the video lesson, video classes, and they are even motivating them, inspiring them to do the homework and participate in this online process. And we have got some kind of things like some parents are there who, due to any reason, they have not been able to join this activity. They have not been able to help the children to do homework and to attend the class. So once again I request those parents and guardians who have not started still sending the work and attending the videos. So once again I request them that you must help your child participate in this activity and join these video lessons, so we can bring them to the track of learning the next class course. And most of the students who are doing this work and this activity, they have bought the new course, new stationery, and the students still who have not bought the stationery, I again remind them to buy as soon as possible, so that they can do the thing properly, they can understand the thing properly, they can study from the new course book, and they can understand, and they can do the work which is given to them in their new the fresh notebooks, and they can send. And one more thing, I see most of the students have I think subscribed the Oxford Public School channel, but still many of the students I think have not joined. So again I remind them to subscribe the channel, so whenever we send any new message, any new activity, any new information, direct you can get on the time and you can get into the process. And one more thing was there, that most of the students we got the complaint that they were not getting the video lessons and they were not added to the school mobile number. So I want to tell them that they must add the number, mobile number, that is that has been given to you from the school, through which we are sending the videos, that is 766-512-7477. So you must add this number to your WhatsApp or contact number, so you can get the videos on time, because many of the students who were getting such problems, actually they had not added this number to their contact list, so that is why they were not getting the videos on time. And especially the students who are still who have not joined the lessons, who have not seen the lessons due to any reason, suppose, so those students can also contact us if they have joined the classes later, so they can contact us and we can send them the previous videos, the previous lessons, we have all saved them, so we can send them. And otherwise you can go to the YouTube Oxford Public School channel, there date wise you can find the content, subject wise you can find the content which we have taught during the 2 or 3 weeks, and you can start from the very beginning, and step by step, lesson by lesson, a student can study from there. So that is saved matter. Suppose 2 or 3 days you do not get time to study, so you can later you can see online on YouTube, you can watch, and not only in a particular mobile. I tell, suppose the video we send to you at a particular number, that is of your parents or grandparents, and suppose that mobile is not with you, you are out of station, suppose you have gone to your maternal house, paternal house, or your aunt, your uncle, anywhere, you have gone somewhere else. So I tell you children, no, nothing to worry about that. You just get any smartphone, you just find the channel Oxford Public School and you subscribe that channel there, and you can enjoy our classes anywhere in the world. So it's not a difficulty or the thing that you say that my father was not at home, so how I could watch the videos, and how I could get the work. So nothing to worry. I have told you the very simple process. In any smartphone, you just find the Oxford Public School YouTube channel, you add it, subscribe it, and you can watch all the videos of all your classes, all your subjects from the beginning to the till date. You can do that. And in future we are going to make it more specific, more interesting, and more smooth, so you can enjoy these lessons very well, you can study at home very well, and whatever the difficulties, whatever the problems we are facing, the complaints we are getting, we are trying to solve those also. Even then, if you have any query, or if you have anything to ask to us, or related to study, or anything else related to other course or anything, so you can call to our number that you have been given. the school contact number, you can call there. And related to teachers, as I had told you, if you have anything to ask, you have been provided the subject teachers contact number, you can contact there. And even then, if you have anything to ask me, even you can contact me during the school time. I will definitely talk to you. And our office hours now we have opened for from 8 to 12:30 we open the office, and we get such things solved. So finally, I once again expect from all the students and all the respected guardians and the parents of the students to add the all students to this process of study until or unless we do not get any information related to opening the regular school, regular classes. So most probably maybe in August some classes may be opened, but still nothing is sure. So by the time we open the school regularly, by the time we start the classes regularly, our aim is to keep our students in touch with the study, especially if I talk about the board classes or the like 8th or 10th class or 5th class. So those students must join these classes. At least you would get something, if not everything, but you would learn many things. So when you come to school and when you join the regular classes, that time that course will become very easy for you to understand, and it would be just revising the thing. So don't neglect it, don't ignore it. It is we are doing for you. We are even all the activity we are calling the staff in the safes, they are coming to, and they are doing all the preparation and the planning to recording this video. We have added the staff for you. So I expect every student will join after this message. I want my more children would join the classes. They would more and more send the homework to the teachers. They would do all the activities given to them. So I think they must send, and that would be both good for us and even your staff also, because once when they are coming with preparation, they are doing so much thing for you. So from your part, you must give the written response to them, so they can continue this activity in the coming next months by the time school are regularly opened. And if related to study or anything, if you have any kind of disturbance or anything, so you can contact to us, as I had told you. But we want to make a good platform where you enjoy the study, you enjoy the work, and you means it is like that nothing, no situation can stop our students and can keep far from the study. So once again, I thank you the children, I thank you the parents who have joined. Even 60-70% students and parents have spotted us, and I expect from the rest of the 20-30% still you are they are thinking. So again, I request them to join the study and join the process, so we can help the students continue their study anyway. And I hope by the time next we talk, I want to see some number of students, more increased number of students. And if you have any suggestions, you can direct send to me on my number or the school contact number. I will definitely try to solve your problem. Thank you so much once again. Enjoy your study, enjoy your classes, and keep your spirit motivated. And even in this time, this time is to keep patience and patience and passion both. So, keep your passion and keep patience and do your study. Thank you so much. And once again, all the children, all the people who are watching, they must keep themselves safe and sound from the pandemic disease. Okay, good day.